All right, here's my C Pro 2018 208 model. I've had this thing for about 4 months now, so I think it's about time to maybe do a review on this baby and how well I think it runs, rides. It comes with a 4-stroke Suzuki 140 on it. Comes with a swim ladder, and it's really it's a pretty stylish boat. It's you know, it's about the medium to small boat for inland water. I will take this out on the ocean as well to fish on calm days, but for inland water, it's fabulous. Comes with a Simrad. This one also had a Lawrence that was installed in it, and it comes with a Suzuki 140, like I said, but it also has a C10 monitor for your engine. It does your engine hours, it does your gasoline. I'm getting ready to reset it because it's a C10 Suzuki computer system, kind of basically. It tracks your engine, tracks your mileage. I had messed up and I kept forgetting to put gasoline, how many gallons of gas I put in it, so my gauges were all messed up. So what you do is you just fill it completely up, and then you reset it to full, and then it'll keep going down, tell you how much your gas mileage is and how much gas you have left. Key point: always put in how many gallons of gas you put in, or how many gallons you put in when you refill. You do that, and then you won't have any problems like I just had. It also comes with a nice stereo system built in, speakers, rod holders, nice windshield. This one came with the Minn Kota Riptide, which is controlled with your controller on your neck. It came with it. I'm using it. I'd rather not have it where it's automatic go up and down. I'd rather be able to pull it up, because sometimes that messes up the brain on the unit. Shuts off. It seems like if I'm running it for an hour and a half, the brain shuts off and I got to reset it. I don't like it, that part, but I like the rest of it. The rest of it's pretty cool. Plenty of storage in this boat. A couple seats in the back, 2 live wells. And what I'm going to do today is show you guys how to replace that. That is a Tusami T1800 circulating pump. This one is bad, so I bought a new one online on Amazon Prime. So I'm going to change that today and get that working. Show you guys how to do that. Pretty easy. I got to unscrew this, take the hose off, and unscrew it, and I should be good to go. I might have bought the wrong one, but this thing here is interchangeable, so I might just unscrew this out and put the new one in, because I see that this one here is pretty well caulked. And on this one that I'm replacing, it also does the wash down, I believe. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to replace the whole unit, but that's okay. I'll more to show you later on. But that's where it's at. Another thing I like about the C Pro, it's got the wash down. That one's a little rusty, but you just got to wash it down, or wash that down too. But it's got the 2 batteries for your start. One's for start and one's just a spare. And then in the front of the boat is your batteries for your trolling motor, and which is really pretty cool because it's in a totally different location, and they're both in the floor. Right there's your my trolling motor ones, so they're very easy to change out. That's a plus for any boats. It's got some storage in here. Automatic Minn Kota charger system for 3 batteries, which is pretty cool. It's got a great system for drainage. You see all these little hoses and everything. Those go in your cups that go into down in the bottom, where there's a great big 4-inch pipe that's built in, and that drains everything, which is pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to change out my Tusami 800, T1800. Again, I bought the whole unit and I don't need it. So what I'm going to do is just take the motor off. These little red pin things here. You got to push in that with your thumbnail, and then twist. and right there's your whole motor. So I really don't need this part, but I'll keep it because I always keep my spare parts. And then I'm going to cut the wires, take the old one off, right down in here. That one right there I'm going to take off. I already twisted it out. And I really don't want to leave that in there, but since it's got 2 outlets instead of 1, I'm going to leave that in there and just go ahead and disconnect this motor here and then take that out. So I got to get down in there and cut the wires and pull that baby out. Easy. Taking out the old one. Propeller, I mean, it seems like it was working, but I put voltage to it and it did not work at all. So I'm going to take this one out, which I did, cut the wires. Pretty simple, black and brown, black and brown. You cut the wires, you just reconnect the black and brown, and when you put this in, it should run. So anyway, taking it out, easiest way to do it. So I'm pretty happy with the T800, and I'm really happy about the location of where those babies are inside the C-Pro. Pretty easy to get out. You got a little shut-off switch or shut-off valve right here. So if you have a problem, you just shut them off. Don't let any more water in. You're good to go. I'm gonna leave mine open because I'm positive it's gonna run when I get it out on the boat, and I'll check it for running when after I reconnect it. So again, set this baby inside there. Hopefully y'all can see how easy that is. Just like that. I'm hoping you can see that. All right, I'm gonna try to see if I can actually see what I'm doing down there. I don't know if you can. Put some light on it, not the strobe, but the regular light. So I got it in there, and I'm just gonna twist that right inside the Tusami holder right now, where all those pipes are coming out. And then I'll turn it on. I'll wire it back in. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do. And that's how I'm gonna fix this, because I like 2 live wells just in case we get a bunch of fish. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Get in there and wire that up, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. Set it down inside here, got it wired, and let's see if it runs. You should hear a little humming sound. Success! Here's the other one. So, I was successful. You know, I'm always surprised when I do something and it works right. So, I'm always happy about that. So she's working. So now I have 2 live wells again. Mucho cool. Which is really nice about these Tusamis. Like I said, you can leave the whole housing in place. You don't have to replumb anything. You can just buy the motor. Put the new motor right inside there. So now I got duals. I'm ready to go. Ready to use both my live wells again. Pretty exciting. Hey, welcome. It's a beautiful day. It just started raining as soon as I got on the water. So I'm the only one here. My Suzuki motor's running great. Put that C-Pro in it. Listen to that baby hum. I put the new live well aerator in it, and she's working fabulous. Now I'm gonna put a little water in there because I'm gonna guarantee that I'm gonna catch some fish today. Overcast. I'm the only person out here fishing today. Shut that off. I fixed my C-ton Suzuki computer information thing. You fill it up, and I put it all the way to full. So now I have 60 gallons in it, and every time that you put gas in it, you have to enter and put your gas in there. And then this will be, I mean, they say it's really precise down to the half a gallon. So that's what you got to do to fix it. So that's what I did. All right, well, I'm going to go out and find me a place to get out of this wind and try to catch some fish. More to come.